After a hard week of making people laugh, it's time for the body to get its rewards. So it's massage day. We are going to have a massage. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. On everything. Okay. Thank you. First name and then I don't want any add-ons. So one of the questions is facial treatment. What would you like to achieve from today's facial treatment? My answer, and I want you to do it the way I wrote it.
Yeah.
I want to look like Miss Universe.
Wow. You definitely have.
Yeah.
You do have that. Actually, we're using a product that is made in Cape Town.
Oh, nice. So it's locally made.
Yeah, it's locally made. It's called Skin Creamery, and it's 100% organic.
Oh, perfect.
So you're going to see a different immediately after.
So I can go and walk around Parliament and get me a blazer.
Yes.
Thank you. I want this should be on scam. Thank you.
Hello, sister.
Are you guys done?
Yep.
How was it?
I don't remember. I
Did
slept.
they not break your tiny bone?
People think we are siblings.
Yep. Every time. That's
That's
true
shame.
too.
My massage toothpick.
That's what it was nicer than what you are doing. Stick to community.
Yeah.
But it's not
Now I say Ngonile what you love people open a restaurant.
Customer service.
I will take this comment seriously to a Buchan's and a restaurant. So you get comments, guys. Please come, I've got specials.
And then I'll come and I'll say, oh, Sengiyabona ukuthi you really love people, but cooking is not your thing. Go and work as a conductor at a taxi. You gotta see different people all the time.
And it's gonna work for me because my pictures are already on.
Taxi, yeah,
So I can always have, once there's Uber Black, I can have Taxi Black. Or Black Taxi.
Ah, that's a good one.
Yeah, wow. Beautiful, beautiful. I feel so relaxed. I didn't want it to end. I wish I had booked for a 10-hour massage. I didn't realize how much I needed it. I just did not realize how much I needed it.
Hey. Okay, first I was wearing a pink gown when I got in. Now I'm wearing a white one. Massage was nice. Cape Town is nice. And people think I'm royalty because I'm a Dlamini. So I got royal treatment in this spa. Don't wanna go back home. I wanna stay here and be fake royalty from Southland. But I am royalty. Just broke royalty. It's still royalty. It counts for something.
Yeah, nice massage. Next it's gonna be a pedicure. The feet that we use to stand on stage. As a stand-up comedian, it's very important to have healthy feet. Because if you can no longer stand, you can no longer be a stand-up
You
comedian.
are just a comedian.
And people pay for stand-up comedy.
Exactly.
when you're just a comedian, it means you're at the shipping, sitting down and making people laugh. It's very important to be able to stand. So we really do take good care of our feet.
And hands. I'm about to do a manicure so that I can hold the mic with manicured hands.
Yes, you need good hands to hold the
good
mic.
hands too, because you need to point and hold the mic and clap for yourself sometimes. And a facial, of course, because you need people to look at you.
Yes, because we are in front of them.
Exactly, and laugh with you, not at you.
Yes, you need to be funny, not look funny.
Not look funny. Siyahlekisa.
Asleki.
This is the second episode of the show Siyahlekisa Asleki. I'm right here with my friend and of course
Fellow love technician.
Love technician Thenjiwe. She can introduce herself. Or I'll just continue to do the talk.
I'm introducing myself, and it's nice to have introduced myself. I'm glad that you listened to me when I introduced myself, and thank you for joining us on Asleki Siyahlekisa.
So, as this is the second episode, we didn't do a first episode because we just assumed that, you know, you will love the second episode.
Because first things are overrated.
First things are overrated.
And first times are never really good. Because I remember when I lost my virginity, but that's a story for another time.
Day.
But first things are really overrated. So we decided, let's not do a first episode. Let's just do a second episode.
That is why even being a first lady is boring.
Because the second lady is always more beautiful. Is it called the second lady or first and a half or 1.5? Like when the president has more than one first ladies. What the other one? Or is it 5 first ladies? Or is it a first lady?
There's the first lady, and then there's...
Or does it work like the iPhone?
Let me think about it.
First lady...
If you want to...
Or first lady A, first lady B, first lady C.
If you want to talk about today's topic, which is first ladies, first times, and first world, the only nice thing about first is first world.
Not necessarily.
Tell us more.
First world is not... Because number one, for me, every time someone tells me about a first world country, I'm thinking thieves. Because what do they have? Everything they have.
They took.
And you're like, okay, the queen. What did she wear before they discovered Africa?
Do they have diamonds?
From where?
They don't have diamonds. But of course, like we said, if you want to talk about today's topic, which is so many topics now.
Today's topic is a topic. So if you have a topic you want to talk about, give us a comment about the topic you want to talk about.
Our Facebook page is, we don't have a Facebook page yet. YouTube channel, we don't have it yet. You can create one for us and call it whatever you want to call it. But do leave
I think that name is taken. Whatever you want to call it is taken. I've seen a page with that name. Whatever you want to call it is taken. So call it something else.
It's going to be called something else. So you can leave your comment
Hey,
on
I hope
something
in Devon
else.
they don't have a group already called something else. Because hey, the way they name themselves, these boys. So Utenus is a reception.
So I lost my key card. So I went to the reception to ask for a new one. She gives me a key card, I go to my room, it doesn't open. Come back, sisi asifuli isikhiya sami. Uthi hayi man bhuti usho kaloku ukuba iroom yakho u318. Hayi sisi awuzame 318, maybe it was 7. Uthi oh okay, aseng 3. Hayi iyafana kaloku la way.
But she did try it.
But she did try it first. And it was like, hayi iyafana 318, 318. And then yesterday, what's your room number? In my head, I'm thinking, I know there's 318, there's 138, which was the room. It's, I'm so sure it's 138 or 318. But if it's 138 or 318, either way, same numbers, just different order.
Yes.
Just rearrange.
Rearrange
Move them around. Could be 812, could be 318, it could be 1.
It could be 813.
It could be 813. Just rearrange the numbers. Pay it forward.